Welcome to HYBIZ News. This is Kanksha Gangapuram and you're watching National Business News. Accubits Technologies, the Thiruvananthapuram techno-park-based technology company, has been chosen by Red Herrings in its top 100 global winners from across the world. Accubits was selected to the prestigious global list for its vision, drive and innovation that defines a successful entrepreneurial venture. The Red Herrings top 100 honor startups, innovations and technologies across their respective industries and includes leading private companies from North America, Europe and Asia. The Red Herrings top 100 global list is considered as a mark of distinction for the identifying promising companies and outstanding entrepreneurs. According to Jatin Viji, CEO and co-founder of Accubits Technology Inc., we are proud that we have been selected to the prestigious Red Herring Top 100 Global List for the 2022. Accubits Technology has always been driven by a vision for the future, and we are glad that the Red Herrings editors has taken a note of our forward-looking endeavors and rewarded us. Vitesco Technologies, a leading international supplier of advanced powertraining technologies and solutions for e-mobility, is advancing the hybridization of the motorcycles at EICMA 2022. The company will present the next development stage of a hybrid motorcycle with an addition electric drive that significantly reduces CO2 emission. And that is not at all. This development stage increases motoring pressure and enables new driving functions for greater comfort and safety. These includes a fully electric start up without clutch actuation and an electric reverse gear. The concept is designed for the motorcycles with a displacement of over 125 cc and comprises a 48-volt electric motor, an automated manual gearbox, and as the controller center, a powertraining domain control unit (PDCU), the so-called master controller. Vitesco Technology presents the first development stage of the hybrid concept at EICMA last year. Make the Case, an initiative by the Center for the Social Sensitivity and Action CSSA at the Goa Institute of Management, have been chosen as good practice by the United Nations Office of South-South Cooperation and has been included in the compendium entitled Good Practices in South-South and Triangular Cooperation for Sustainable Development Volume 4 in 2020. The Make the Case competition was introduced. It was developed and put into action by the Goa Institute of Management Center for Social Sensitivity and Action CSSA, Commitments Accelerator for Plastic Pollution CAPP, Ocean Recovery Alliances ORA and Indian Plastic Institute IPI. The competition's goals was to raise awareness of plastic waste in India and to encourage discussion on its solution. The objective was to pursue young people to become interested in issue of sustainable development and to make them green crusaders of their respective institutes. Experian India, one of the leading data analytics and decisioning companies and the first credit bureau to be licensed in India under the Credit Information Companies Regulatory Act 2005, has announced a service that allows Indian consumers to check their credit score on WhatsApp for the free. The first time any credit bureau in India is offering such a service. Consumers can now check their Experian credit score report regularly and monitor their credit portfolio easily. The initiative introduces a quick, secure and convenient way to access one's Experian credit report anywhere, anytime. Consumers can check their Experian credit report, track any irregularities, detect fraud immediately and rebuild their credit score, enabling them to gain control of their credit profile. With India having the largest number of the WhatsApp users in the world at 487.5 million users, the WhatsApp messaging services is part and parcel of everyday life for the Indian consumers. Eurogrip, one of the fastest growing global brand in the powered two-wheelers tire segment, announced the international launch of two new world-class products, Road Hound and a sport touring tire and a Climax XC, an office road specialty tire at the 2022 EICMA Motor Show in Milan, Italy. The newly launched Road Hound is a sport touring tire with dual compound technology on radial rear size. It features excellent grip on both dry and wet surfaces and improved handling and comfort on both naked, sport and touring motorcycles. The tire profile, tread pattern and structure have been engineered to provide high mileage and performance constituency. The tire will be available from early 2023 with a size ranging cover both radial and X-ply application. A 3-day international meet on the right to drug-free childhood organized by the Fourth Wave Foundation in partnership with United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime UNODC and World Federation Against Drugs WFAD. The top international experts on the subject will share their insights and perspectives at the conclave to work out a concrete action plan to root out the menace of substance abuse to create a safe world for the children. Children Matter Right to a Drug-Free Childhood is the theme of the meeting, which will take forward Fourth Wave Foundation's Project Venda to build a substance abuse-free world. It is significant to note that this international forum is happening at a time when the country is grappling with a steady spike in drugs abuse among children. The conclave brings together top experts from across the world and representatives of global institutions and civil society organizations to shed light on the cause that leads to substance abuse among children and work out policies and protocols that could be adopted by governments, said Mr. C.C. Joseph, Director, Fourth Wave Foundation. CM Shri Pinarayi Vijayan released the official logo of the third edition of Kochi Design Week KDW, which will be held in Boligatti Island, Kochi on December 16 to 17th. Minister for Law, Industries and Courier Sri P. Rajiv and Kusum CEO Sri Anupambika attended the function held at the Chief Minister's Chamber. Billed as the India's largest maker feast, this year's International Design Festival, to be held in partnership with Kerala Startup Mission Kusum, will provide a podium to creative minds for a robust and interactive exchange of ideas on the new face of the designs, arts and technology. The third edition of KDW, an annual event, will witness a gathering of over 25,000 plus comprising designs professionals, architects, interior designers, thought leaders, policy makers, government officials and the general public. World Immunization is celebrated on November 10th every year. It is campaigned by the World Health Organization (WHO). It promotes the uses of vaccines to protect people of all ages against diseases. Vaccines have helped in keeping people healthy right away from the vaccine against smallpox to the largest vaccine used to prevent COVID-19. The theme of 2022 World Immunization Day is Long Life for All. Vaccines make it possible for us to live a long life and happy and healthy life. There is a handful of discoveries that have been a moment impact of mankind and vaccines are one of them. India is a habitat for a large number of children. Under 5 mortality rate in India is almost 30 for every 1,000 live births and contributes to 1/5 of the global under 5 mortalities. A lion's share of under 5 death is caused by the communicable disease which are preventable by the vaccine. Timely vaccinations help in conferring immunity and protects against these fatal infections. As the famous phrase goes, prevention is better than cure. Even the child does get infected, the severity is much milder, said Dr. Pranita Reddy, consultant neonatologist and pediatrician, KIMS Cuddles, Kondapur. Thank you for watching. Signing off. Keep watching HYBIZ News.